Hey guys, Junger here. I want to talk to you today about two of my most favorite words that I have as a web developer, and they are hard refresh. Okay, so look, if you've done any work with us in the past, you've probably got an email from me at some point, or maybe you've talked, with other web developers about what is a hard refresh. I want to explain that to you today so you understand kind of what's going on. We've had previous videos about website caching. Just a reminder, caching is when your browser saves some of the most important files, or your server that the website is hosted on saves some of the most important files, so that every time somebody goes to the website, those files don't have to be sent one more time with more traffic, more page load, etc., etc. Hard refresh, what that does is in your browser, when you hard refresh, you will say to your browser, hey, I don't want the cached version of these files, of that style sheet, of whatever else it is. I want you to actually go out and get a fresh copy of what that is. To do a hard refresh, you press the shift button on your keyboard and then you click refresh in your browser. And the reason that's different than a regular refresh is all those files that may be cached that your browser is using to try and speed everything up, you say, you know what, get rid of those, give me fresh copies of everything. And a lot of times you'll see a hard refresh is necessary when there have been changes made to the site and you've been on it recently. For a lot of our kind of, marketing folks, our web developer, our web managers, folks who are on the site a lot of times, when there are changes made to the style sheet, you may not see it right away if your browser is still caching or if the server has cached the old version of everything. The other way to really kind of check to see for changes that get made without having to do a hard refresh is using an incognito window. So most of us have Chrome or Safari or Edge or one of these other browsers. When you're going in an incognito browser, you won't use those files that are saved on your computer. You'll get fresh new ones. So you can always test things out to say, hey, am I seeing the right files by using incognito, or more often using the hard refresh? Remember, press shift on your keyboard, hold it, and then click refresh in your browser, and you will be doing a hard refresh and you will get the latest version of all the files. Talk to you guys later.